Today, I'll show you how to send a thank you for subscribing email and a follow-up email using Brevo. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large subscriber list, setting up automated emails can save you time and keep your audience engaged. So, let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to brevo.com. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and create an account. Don't worry, setting up an account is straightforward, and Brevo offers a user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Brevo dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your email marketing activities. Now, look for the Automations tab. It might be located on the left-hand side of the dashboard depending on Brevo's current layout. Click on Automations to open up the automation menu. Automations are powerful tools that allow you to send emails based on specific triggers or actions. In this case, we are going to automate a thank you and follow-up email sequence. Once you're in the automation section, the next step is to create a new automation. Look for the option that says Create an Automation and click on it. This will prompt a new window or section where you'll be given various templates and options to choose from. Brevo provides several pre-made automation templates to make the process easier. For sending a thank you email, select the Welcome Message template. This template is designed to send an automatic email to new subscribers. It's a perfect way to say thank you and welcome them to your community. Click on the Welcome Message template to start customizing it. Now, it's time to personalize your email. Brevo allows you to customize the subject line, which is crucial for grabbing your subscribers' attention. Think of something catchy and warm, like "Thank you for joining our community," or "Welcome to our family." Next, move on to the email body. Here, you can express gratitude for their subscription and let them know what to expect from your emails. Personal touches, like including the subscriber's name, can make the email feel more personal and engaging. After setting up your thank you email, it's a good idea to plan a follow-up email. This can be scheduled to send a few days after the initial thank you email. A follow-up email can provide more information about your services or products, share a special offer, or invite them to follow you on social media. To add a follow-up email, look for the option to add another step in your automation sequence and select another email template. Once you've drafted your emails, it's important to test them before they go live. Brevo offers a testing feature where you can send the emails to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Check for any typos, broken links, or formatting issues. Finally, activate your automation. There should be a button or toggle that allows you to turn on the automation sequence. Once activated, your thank you and follow-up emails will be sent automatically to every new subscriber. This means you can focus on other important aspects of your business while Brevo handles your email communication. And that's it. You've just set up an automated thank you and follow-up email sequence using Brevo. This simple process helps keep your subscribers engaged and informed, building a strong relationship from the start. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy emailing!